Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Sixth Sense by MicroStudy. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules, which means in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have arrows in the grid, so they have a circle and an arrow coming out. So digits on an arrow must sum to the value in the circle. So if this was, say, 2 and 4, that adds to 6. We put a 6 in the circle. All right. Additionally, we have unique arrows. So an arrow circle must not contain the same digit as another circle. So I'm guessing there's 6 circles in the grid. Yeah. So basically, we have an extra region here. The digits 1 to 6 will appear in exactly once in the arrow circles. All right. So those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you want to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right, well, we need a 1 in the circles, and the only way that's going to happen is a 1 cell arrow, like this one. So this is 1, and that's 1. We need a 2, which has a similar issue. But this can be 2, because we can do 1 plus 1. It's the only one that can be 2. So that's going to be 2, which is 1 plus 1. I feel like 1s are almost done. We have a 1 here, and then we have a 1 here. Now, we are going to need a 3, and the 3 is going to need a 1 and a 2. So this cannot be 3 because it doesn't have a 2 on it. So the only other arrow that can be a 3 is this one, because it's the only one that has a 1 available. So this is going to be 3, 2, 1. That places the last one here. So now we need 4, 5, 6. Let's just fill that. So that means that this is 3, 4, 5. Let's see, this is 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's a 4, 5, 6 triple. So this has to be the 3, which makes that a 4, which means these are not 4s, which means there's a 4 here, which means this is not 4. This is not 1 or 2, so this is at least 3. So I could do 3, 2, adding to 5. Or I could do 4, 2, adding to 6, and that's it. So this has to have a 2 on it. Okay, so that's the way to think about it. If this didn't have a 2 on it, it also doesn't have a 1 on it, and it doesn't have a 3 on it. So, oh, it doesn't have a 3 on it. Oh, well, that just does it then. Right. If it didn't have a 2 on it, it would be 4 plus 5 equals 11. There's no 11. So we must have a 2 on it. And then once we must have a 2 on it, the minimum or the maximum we can put with it is 4, but also the minimum. So this is 2, 4 adding 6. Sorry for that took so long to explain. I don't think I needed to take so long to explain that. But that's a 6. That means this is 5. And we can't do 1, 4, so it's 2, 3. We need a 4 in this box. We also need a 6 in the box. That puts a 6 here. This row is done with a 5. Okay, this is a pair, 3 and 5. So that's the 5, that's the 3, because of this 2, 3 pair. This finishes the column with 4. Let's fill these pairs. I need a 3 and a 6 here. We know the order. I need a 2 and a 5. This is finished with a 2. That gives us the 3 and 2. This is finished with a 4 and a 5. And this is finished with a 3 and a 6. There we go. Nice and quick. All right. Well, thanks, MicroStudy. I liked that idea. That was neat. The hunt for where's the 1, where's the 2, where's the 3. And then it was interesting how this one resolved as only being 6. I actually liked how the 1s got limited. And then this couldn't be the 1 plus 2 to get to 3. So it had to be the 1 plus 3 to get to 4. Neat stuff. All right. So hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.